Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see someone's likes on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then first of all you need to go to the someone's person profile. So for example, you can click on the notification button at the bottom right corner and then find someone here, or you can go to the home page and then at the top right corner click on the search icon and find someone here. For example, I will click on this one person. After that, in this interface, you need to scroll down and then you will see his posts. So probably he liked this post, maybe he commented this post or shared with someone, and you can see some of his liked posts. So actually this is the only one way how you can see his likes. So actually there is no another way how you can do that, because Facebook is a very private application, and that's all, and that's how to see someone's likes on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.